Hello, Bobby here from Iconic Autos in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we have for you an absolutely drop-dead gorgeous 1956 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. This is probably one of the most beautiful Fords ever built, in my opinion. Absolutely drop-dead gorgeous car. This baby's received a complete ground-up restoration, like every nut and bolt. It's kind of got a unique history on it. It was purchased from the original owner in 1960 and had the same owner ever since till we got it. It was fully ground up restored in 2012. It's got less than 100 miles on the restoration, and it is absolutely better than showroom new. It's absolutely a stunning car. Absolutely show quality paint, chrome, everything on it. Every nut and bolt. Is a Texas car, so it's completely rust free. 85,000 believed to be actual miles on it. It's got all original glass still in it with the original Texas sticker in the window. This thing is a true stunner. If you were looking for one of these, buy this one because you cannot even begin to restore for the price we're asking. It's a factory black and white car too. It just absolutely dropped it gorgeous. It is a true show winner. So I do these videos just for like condition, so you can see what you're buying, and I point out every nick and scrape and everything. Obviously this one's gonna be a pretty quick one because there's no imperfections really in the car. Absolutely just gorgeous paint. And look how straight the sides are on this car. It's like a mirror. The chrome is all done. Show quality. And one thing really cool on this car and really rare is a factory air conditioning car. This has got real factory air conditioning. So power steering, brakes, and factory air conditioning, which is like unheard of on these things. Correct bias ply, Firestone tires, beautiful hubcaps. You can just see in the jams there, the whole underside of this car. I'm just gonna do a quickie. Look how nice that is. It is, I got pictures of the whole underside. But it is absolutely gorgeous. The fit and finish is absolutely spectacular. Again, this thing's better than new. Again, all the glass and everything's all original. It's got the accessory mirrors are original. The only imperfection I'm gonna note they kept the original glass because that sticker. It's got two little spots in the glass, a little spot there and a little one on the other side. They've probably been there for years. So, but all the glass is marked Fomoco. You can see it's all original. This makes it the Crown Vic. It's got like a crown around it. Again, one of the most beautiful cars ever built, in my opinion. All the stainless been redone. No scratches, no nicks, no chips. Got the Continental kit, it's beautiful. The dual exhaust coming out of the bumper. And again, there's nothing to even point out on this thing. Look it down the sides. The fenders fit beautifully, all the rear glass is amazing, all the trim is beautiful. This is what you're keeping there, the 68, and it's marked 1956 Ford, and this is a little chip in the windshield. But it's original glass, so that's why they left it. Stunning car. I usually do the let me just set that down for a second. See under the hood, see the factory air conditioning. It's all correct and restored underneath here, like it should be. Inside the trunk is like new. Again, I have tons of pictures of everything. You can see the dash, the steering wheel, the gauges, the AC components. Everything is like brand new. Gorgeous. I don't know what to show you first, but all new weather stripping. You can see the back. All the chrome work and stuff back here is beautiful. Correct material. Just take a look on the other side. We'll take it for a spin and call it a day. Even inside the glove box, original stickers. So take it for a spin here. Of course, I got the keys in my pocket. You gotta have these in neutral to start them. Horn works. The radio does work. It's got like warm up for a second. Car runs and drives wonderful. Get up and go. Driving car, just ready to, again, just hit the streets. The AC is all connected and everything. I think it just needs a shot of Freon, honestly. I may look at it if you really need it to be, but everything else works. The wipers work and the horn works. Directions all work. So, and again, great car. If you have any questions, feel free to call, text, email, send someone to look at it, or just buy with confidence. You're getting an awesome car, because that's what I do these videos for. Yeah, it's right in Scottsdale here, and don't wait long. Cars like this do not last long. So thank you very much, and I hope to talk to you soon and write up a contract on this little beauty. So thanks. Bye.